cataractcoach.com. It's okay to abandon a poor incision and start over again. Let me show you a case. This is a case for my residents operating, and the anterior chamber is filled with viscoelastic. That's a good pressure. And the temporal phaco incision is going to be made here in the cornea. And this resident's going to do a single plane incision, but with a little groove at the epithelial edge just to help delineate the starting point. So here's the fixation ring going just temporally there. Here's the edge of the blade being used to make a little groove, about 100 micron depth at the gray line. And then I'm going to pass the keratome. And watch carefully. As the keratome advances, it's a very thin flap. That's really too steep of an angle. The keratome should be flatter, more parallel to the floor. And advancing it, and I just say stop. Stop right there. We have a very, very thin roof. If we try to enter the anterior chamber now, it'll be way too long of an incision. We're going to be oar-locked. It won't seal well. It's just bad architecture. So what should you do here? Let's abandon it. So most importantly, notice that the anterior chamber was not entered. Now, shifting over, go to the side here instead. Move about 1 clock hour or 30 degrees away. And try again. Now that first incision is not full thickness. Descemet was not pierced. Now this incision will go a little bit more appropriate on that angle. So we're going to get this angle done right so that we adjust the speculum to make it easier. But adjust the angle of the keratome so that we have an appropriate tunnel length. We want good architecture. We need to have the roof of the incision about the same thickness and design as the floor of the incision. We want it well balanced. So there's the tip of the keratome going in. Notice how the blade's more parallel to the floor, not as steeply angled towards the corneal apex. Starting to advance it, nice and slow, and watch the tip of the blade as it enters the eye. It's going to go more in the stroma, and then soon it's going to penetrate Descemet and enter the anterior chamber. So nice and steady. The resident's taking time to make sure the angle's appropriate. This is shown in real time, but it looks slow motion. And then now, a very slow push and enter the AC. That looks good. A little short, but not bad. Now, telling is the OCT. An image on the left, very thin roof, thick floor, but luckily, look at the OCT, it did not enter the eye. On the right is the good incision, balanced roof and floor. It'll seal well, great architecture. So if you have trouble with an incision, try again.